Good evening, everyone. Around the time that Erin, Truman, and I started practicing law, Miriam Shearing was elected to be the first female justice on the Nevada Supreme Court. It was a time of great hope and possibility, but it didn't mean it was easy to be a young female lawyer in the early 90s. I think most of us had the experience of being confused for the court reporter. That was, and frankly, the Me Too things probably also. It was a hard time. But you know who always made it look easy? Erin, Truman. Our bar was really small then, and we kind of all knew each other. Erin always exuded grace, confidence, intelligence, and she always looked fabulous. So over the years, she built an incredible resume, and I was so excited in 2017 when she applied to be our second Discovery Commissioner, because I knew we were getting a gem. But I really didn't know how much that decision was going to impact the 8th Judicial District Court. Because in 2020, when COVID came around and Judge Ola had been appointed to the Court of Appeals, it was a really hard time. And we had to move forward without filling spots, or we had to cut people's pay and furlough people. And we made a decision as the court that we wanted to keep paying our folks. Erin was a really critical part of that. I went to her and I said, can you just do these 3 jobs for me for a year and a half? And she, without hesitation, said absolutely. And she figured it out. And she took the entire Discovery ADR project on her shoulders. But I don't think that's what makes Erin the most deserving of this award. There's one thing that she did that I think is amazing for our legal community in Las Vegas. She and Erin and Jay approached me and said, we want to do an administrative order setting out the rules for how people should behave in depositions and in other discovery contexts. And I was like, okay, whatever. It seemed to me like those aspirational goals that we have for civility, and it was beautifully written, and I really appreciated the work they put into it, but I really didn't know that it was going to go anywhere. But I also didn't mind signing it because I agreed with everything in it. But let me tell you, what I understand is by we I mean Erin, gave people very clear direction about the expectations of behavior, and then that was consistently followed through with by our Discovery Commissioners, and it has made a huge difference in how people act in depositions, in the number of phone calls the Discovery Commissioners get, in the number of motions. It is really hard to make institutional change like that. We talk about civility all the time, and we try to do things about it. But you know who actually did something about it? Erin, Truman. And in addition to that, she is just a delightful human, which I think Judge Truman is going to cover. But congratulations, Erin, very well deserved. Also, congratulations to the scholarship recipients, what inspiring stories. And to our trailblazers, who are both trailblazers in different ways, whether you want to be or not, Judge Bailey. Congratulations, very well deserved. Thank you.